working at COMTEC Solutions for nearly 13 years. There was 11 when I came, and now there's nearly 50. I think what COMTEC values is integrity, both with our employees and our customers. And I think that when we drive using our core values and our business ethics and integrity, I think that truly drives to what makes us today.
I've been working at COMTEC for almost 10 years. We have a training program here for all of our products. I specialize in the Epicor products, and it gives me the ability to do what I love to do. We've built relationships, and those are important. Relationships between COMTEC and our customers, because they're not just customers, they're people, and we like to build those relationships with people. We are very team-oriented here. We count on each other. We each have different specialties. We have fun together too. We work hard and we play hard.
I've been working at COMTEC Solutions for almost 4 years. As a company, we have objectives. Every company has their objectives. We have growth objectives. We have a 3, 5, 10-year plan. And even despite the current situation that we're all living through, we're profitable. That's a sign of a well-run, growing company.
We have very strong values here. Our 4 values really are our guiding principles that help us as employees and help us with our customers. And those values are passionate about our customer, dedicated to our employee, doing the right thing, and fire in the belly. And I watch people every day executing them. I hold myself accountable to them. One of the things I'm really excited about is our employee engagement team. It's just a way to open up communications, understand what's on people's minds, and really come together and collaborate to solve a problem and make it better for us. And it's going really well.
I started as a network support technician almost 8 years ago, and I had come to COMTEC with about 6 years of experience. I personally have grown a great deal as I've moved forward in my professional career. COMTEC has grown as a business. The COMTEC family is a perk in itself. Everybody gets excited about this event or that event when we get together, and we get to have a lot of fun together, you know, at those events, but we also work hard together when the time comes.
All the different activities that we do for the community, it's just wonderful. For Christmas, we do an outreach for a family where we actually give them food, we give the kids toys, and we try to make it special for them. For Thanksgiving, we do a basket for a family also. We do Meals on Wheels. We do a lot of charity, and that is just the best thing to me. So we actually have a lot of perks. Working here, you tend to have a lot of fun.
My birthday day off, I love that.
Every year we get a $200 voucher to buy COMTEC gear.
On Friday mornings when we have our company meetings, breakfast is brought in. Bagels is a big one, and bagels is probably one of my all-time favorite breakfast foods.
Quarterly meetings and the lunches.
Family dinners where we get together as a team.
You know, we all just get together and we have a lot of fun together.
End of the day, on Fridays, we get to visit with each other and talk about the week.
Friday afternoon wind downs, they're a really nice way to end the week.
Or the real Starbucks coffee machine. I like that a lot.
Our families here, when they have a baby, we give them a stock option for Disney.
We always get together for our beer tours and for other really fun events that we have throughout the year.
I've been a mentor here, and I've been mentored here, and I continue to experience both, and I've never seen that anywhere I've worked before.